everything back. It's awful. Oh no! Oh, he got wiped out. Sir, this is a Wendy's. Please put the chainsaw away. All right, so we're welding together stuff. That mask is awesome. That's like Fallout New Vegas armor. We have some bearings, a wheel. Are we making another motorcycle, or what is this thing? We're using the chainsaw? What? Why would we do that? Sir, what are you doing? All right, so now we're welding some more stuff together. Get that right on there. All right. Looking pretty cool so far. I don't really know where we're going with it. I'm a little afraid of what might happen. Oh my gosh. So it only has one speed, really. It's just like chainsaw speed. Okay. I didn't know chainsaw was a speed. What are we doing now? We're cutting some stuff, making it all polished and nice, clean. So far, I know it's a vehicle. I know it's gonna ride. It has an engine. Okay, we're going with green. Neon green, that is vibrant, my man. This guy wants to be seen and heard with his chainsaw. Okay, is that the seat? Are we going with a wooden seat? Not that I'm judging. You're the master, so I can't judge. Guys, let me know down in the comments, what do you think about motorcycles? Too dangerous, or do you think they're awesome, badass? Do you think that you could get one in the future, or do you have one now? All right, we're putting, this is weird. So he's taking like kid bicycle elements and he's putting a freaking chainsaw on it. Okay. That is, I kind of like it. Is it bad to say that? I would give that like a, let's see how it rides though. Are we gonna see it being tested? Yeah, come on. He doesn't look like the type of guy that would, oh my gosh, it's like a Harley. That is, never mind. We're taking this tire apart for what? What is the reason for this? We're making holes. Okay, geez, buy me dinner first. Why? It's like it looks like a piece of armor almost. Now we're painting. What? That's a dangerous thing right there. Is that an axe? Why? Why would you need that? Why do you need that in your life? Are you okay? Is everyone fine? Okay, now we're wrapping around coils. For what? What is the purpose? Okay. Now we're taking a leather jacket and ruining it. Why are we ruining that nice leather jacket like that? Okay. I have so many questions and so little answers, and I'm so hungry as well, but that's beside the point. What are you doing? I'm pretty sure that's illegal, sir. Please put that back. Cool. I mean, it looks kind of cool, actually. It's like Mad Max. We got a chain up that thing. I wouldn't want to get in a scuffle or a kerfuffle with that man. He looks prepared for anything. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. I love seeing like cars and vehicles being taken apart. Reminds me of my childhood, growing up on the top of a mechanic's apartment. Okay, so now we have wheels and a seat, it looks like. But the seat is disgusting, so what are we doing? Taking off the old padding and maybe putting on some new stuff? Oh, building foam. All right, you have my... Okay, we're stapling this. Nice cushion going on. Paint remover, okay. Ultrasonic cleaner. What the heck is that? That's from like a Marvel movie. Ultrasonic cleaner. That's what the Hulk uses. Okay, paint. So they're just gonna trick out this thing, make it look nice and fresh. Got some suspension on it. Okay, electric motor. Looks pretty cool so far. All right, now we got these pads on the side. Vroom vroom. All right, it works. We're going with pink? Okay. I mean, if you like pink, that's it. That's all you. Through a strainer. Whoa. Why do you need to put it through a strainer? If you know, leave it down in the comments below. Wow, that's actually kind of cool. That's Barbie style. Barbie would ride that with pride. She would love that. I might have to hit up Margot Robbie, see if she's down for a ATV ride in the neighborhood. Oh my gosh, LEDs? Okay, chill out. This is like Sweet 16. Imagine I could like envision seeing like a Sweet 16 in the newspaper, like girl disappointed that her parents got her a tricked out ATV instead of a Ferrari like she wanted. Okay, it looks fun. I mean, honestly, they put an engine on it and everything, like, that's cool. Oh no! Oh, he got wiped out. That is just the worst day. Okay, our wheels messed up, but we ain't no quitters. We are 5-minute crafters, for real. All right, so now cut this all up, take off everything. Why would you even try to fix it? Okay, that's a bad question. This is 5-minute crafts. Of course you're gonna try to fix it. Like that goes without saying. Okay, we're taking out random tools. What are we gonna do here? I mean, are you gonna make a car bike? What? Sir, I think that's illegal. A car bike, I'm not sure. Okay. Oh, you know what would be cool is a car unicycle. On like one of those wires that goes across 2 skyscrapers. That'd be awesome. There's a lot of welding action going on here. Have you guys ever welded before? I've never done it, and I'm a little bit afraid to. Butch from our channel does it all the time. He's a pro. I might have to take a class from him. Okay, we're doing some drilling. Okay, we got a steering wheel. All right, the handles are pretty low, but that's just the way that man goes. Yeah, he like goes over it. Final result, let's see it drive in the snow. It looks like it'd be really hard to pedal, but it's kind of cool. I give that like an 8 out of 10 for sure. All right, see, he's walking. He doesn't really like it that much. Okay, so we're getting 2 bicycle wheels, putting them together, rolling them out, car tire, boom. So we're doing another bicycle? A carsicle? All right, we're just ruining everything because we're 5-minute crafts. Some welding. Buff it out. Wrench it up. Be like, whoosh. Okay, this one kind of looks cooler than the last one. I like the frame. Now we're taking off all these tubes, and what are we gonna do with this piece? Looks like a lightsaber hilt. Okay, so he welded that with his finger, and now We got some pipage. It looks like it's gonna try to emulate like a motorcycle or like a Harley, but it's a bike. Acrylic paint. Get that all up in everywhere, every nook and cranny, every crevice and crack. All right, it's a kind of cool color. I like that orange. A lot of people don't like orange, but I think it's underrated. I think orange and black is like one of the coolest. Have you seen Wolverine from like that X-Men show where he's wearing orange? That is a cool color. Okay, we're taking out a bike. Okay, a seat, and now it's a cool orange motorized bike. Let's see it ride. Does it have any pedals? Oh no, it's only like that.